This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nicole Bartle. Price to sell fast. Welcome home. This 4-bedroom 2-full-bathroom home is awaiting its new family. With a desirable open floor plan, kitchen island and pantry, large screen back porch for outside entertaining, fenced backyard, and a split floor plan, what's not to love? ETOWAH community offers tennis and basketball courts, community pool and dock plus a playground. This home is close to downtown Mount Dora and Tavares. Make your showing today to see this well-maintained home. For more information, review the details below.